Today, and welcome back to Jim's Car Review. Today, we're going to be doing the Grenadier vehicle. Today, the INEOS Grenadier. For you that, if you don't know,
Hey,
and welcome back to Jim's Car Review. Today, we're going to be doing the Grenadier. They're a car just the INEOS Grenadier. These big old off-roaders. If you don't know, they're a small startup. Today, we're going to be having a look and kind of building our own. So we're going to go INEOS, making these big old off-roaders. Version. So today, we're going to be having a look and kind of building our own. So we're going to go INEOS from 98 grand version. So today we can choose these. So before we start, and hit like and subscribe if you want to see more. So today we're going to do. Let me know in the comment section below. Before we start, what car brand you want me to do, and what car you want me to do, what model car you want me to do. If you do, let me know if you have any other questions or car brand you want me to do, and what car you want me to do a live stream, what model car you want me to do. I could also set one up. And if you have any other questions or if you whenever I've chance to do a live stream Tuesdays or Wednesdays together, I could also set one up. Do this live stream or in the weekends. Or whenever I've chance on wishes to do Tuesdays or Wednesdays at the moment, BMW 3 litre twin turbo diesel live stream or in the weekend. Petrol. Other than that, let's get building. So can Tuesday BMW 3 litre twin turbo diesel 3 litre for turbo petrol. Yeah, these are better for off-roading purposes. So. Straight six engine. But if it was me off-roading purposes, these would be better for off-roading. Yeah, these are better for off-roading purposes, so I'd probably be using it for. If it was me personally, yeah. If it was me personally, I'd probably do diesel for off-roading. Getting through, well, there's pretty much what I'd be using it for. So I'd probably be using it for. What do we have? Let's have silver bashing and everything. Oh yeah, getting through. Added £3 extra. Getting through. Nothing much. Contrast. I have had that. What do we have? Let's have silver. Sterling silver. Oh yeah, it's just added £3 extra. Ladder frame. Much contrast. And I've had that contrast elements, didn't we, as well? Ladder frame. Get out of the way! Go away! Sorry, this is just doing annoying. The laptop's been really, it's been really annoying. Go away! Just doing my head in. Sorry, this is just doing annoying. The laptop's doing my head in. It's been really annoying. Just doing my head in. Basically, just what do we have? Let's have a look. Let's do my head in black, grey and black. Yeah. Right. So what do we have? Let's have a look. Let's do leather trim black, grey and black. Yeah. Does that familiar? To you? Does that look familiar to you? Does that familiar? You. That's a bit look familiar to you. Anyways, the different seat covers front. That's a BMW shifter. Oh. Anyways, the different seat covers. Don't die on the internet. Do not die on the internet. Seat, they'll have a seat for you. Yeah, the internet's a bit buggy at the moment, bit in and out at the moment. Don't die on the internet. Do not die on the internet. Because I want to get through this recording. Yeah, the internet's before we have any problems. So bit in and out at the moment. Yeah, we want this. Do not die on me. Yay, carpet. I want to get through this recording and before we have any problems. So carpet flooring. Yeah, we want this. Yay, carpet, and added extra carpet, yeah, got more carpets. Yeah, let's go with standard, so we don't need to worry about that. Off-road. Carpet, yeah, got more carpets. Let's go off-road. Yeah, let's go with standard, so we don't need to worry about that. Off-road. Yeah, outback, that's why we'll be off-road. That's why we're heading with this, mate. Let's go off-roading, boy. Eastern Australia, Barker. Normal land over there. Yeah, outback, that's why we'll be heading with this, mate. What do you mean? Rock sliders. When we're bouncing off the rock, normal land over there. Just looks like that. When the rocks beside it, they have a nasty habit of trying to scratch us. Rock sliders. For when we're bouncing off the rock, we come paired. Or for when the rocks beside it, they have a nasty habit of trying to scratch us. We're ready for them. We'll come prepared, boys. We come paired. Winching. Okay, we can add a heavy duty winch. Yeah. We'll come prepared, boys. My friends out. If we ever went off-road, I'd be recovering my friends out. Okay, we can add a heavy duty winch. Yeah. Oh, I'm recovering my friends out. If we ever went off-roading, I'd be recovering my friends out. Recovery kit. We have best choose which one we have. No. Yeah. When I have to winch my friends out. No. Power. Yeah. When I have to winch my friends out. I'd be the one winching my friends out. I would be. For
Cargo barrier, yes.
For carrying cargo.
Nah,
yeah, that'd be really
I'd
helpful.
be the one winching my friends out. I would be. Get camera equipment in there. Cargo barrier, yes. Cargo management system.
Yeah, that'd be really helpful.
Yeah, we could also rest in the back and
Get
film
camera
out. You could
equipment
film
in
out the
there.
back using this cargo management system.
It'd be pretty good.
Yeah, we could also rest in the back and
organize it.
film out. You could film out the back using this. Yeah, this would be pretty good. Oh, yes. Load,
yes.
Load space partition it. Yes. Have you noticed that our total price is creeping up? Load space partition it. Yes.
Added sent.
Have you noticed that our total price is creeping up? Anywhere in Australia, you need one of it. Anywhere for me, you need one of those. Added legit perfect.
Something else.
Car flight.
Long distance
Anywhere in
filming.
Australia, you need one of it. Anywhere for me, you need one of those. This would be legit the perfect
Cargo.
car flight.
Long distance
cargo
filming.
with cargo. Where's that?
Cargo.
Interior cargo with cargo.
Carrying stuff. Or I probably carry
no, go. No, I can't do. Okay, let's do a refresh.
Carrying stuff. Or I probably carry
no, go. No, I can't
check on my
okay,
camera
let's do a
stuff.
refresh. They are required for us.
On the front foot,
yeah,
that'd be a requirement. I will cover a refresh. Okay, check on my camera stuff.
Oh, yeah,
on the front foot,
yeah, that's just done that.
Whereas,
Smoker's pack, no.
whereas I do my security,
yeah, winning more. Yeah, that ground price is climbing.
No.
Whereas I do my kit.
Okay,
let's have a look. Okay, how much power's it got? That ground price is climbing.
What ground clearance?
Okay, let's have a look. Okay, how much power's it got?
I can go for a stick. What ground clearance? 800 meters. I can go for a stick.
Less engine, don't have less. It's going to have less power. It's also going to have a lot more torque. Look at that, 550 Newton meters of torque. Less engine, don't have less. It's going to have less power.
Off-roading.
It's also going to have a lot more torque. Look at that, 550 Newton meters of torque. We'll go with this.
Plenty of torque for off-roading.
Vehicle and a grand total of 138,145. 138,145 and a grand total of 138,145.
If you hit like and subscribe,
and if you want to
total,
any other videos,
please let me know in the comment section below,
whether it's live stream,
if you hit like and
subscribe, and
which I am waiting for.
If you want any other videos,
please let me know in the
until
comment
then,
section
goodbye
below,
from
whether it's
me,
live streams, react videos,
and I'll see you,
which I am waiting for,
and I'll see you for another video. But until then, goodbye from me, and I'll